Have you ever thought about sending money faster than a speeding text message and for practically free? Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, in the world of Bitcoin, that future might already be here, or at least rapidly approaching. Here in UK, like many places around the globe, the adoption of cryptocurrency is becoming more and more noticeable. People are looking for alternatives to traditional financial systems that can sometimes be slow, expensive, and not always the most accessible. This is where solutions like Bitwala come in, offering a bridge between the traditional banking world and the exciting, albeit sometimes complex, world of digital assets. Bitwala, now known as Relay in some regions, has carved out a niche by providing users with a platform to buy, sell, and manage their Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. They've focused on making it easier for everyday people to participate in the crypto economy. But as the technology continues to evolve and user demands grow, the question on many minds is, can Bitwala, or Relay, integrate with the Lightning Network? For those unfamiliar, the Lightning Network is a Layer 2 scaling solution built on top of the Bitcoin blockchain. Think of the Bitcoin blockchain as the main highway, secure and reliable but sometimes congested, especially during peak hours, leading to slower transaction times and higher fees. The Lightning Network, on the other hand, creates a network of fast, off-chain channels where users can transact with each other almost instantly and with incredibly low fees. Once these smaller transactions are complete, the net result is then settled back onto the main Bitcoin blockchain. So, why is this important, and why should Bitwala consider integrating it? The benefits are numerous. Firstly, speed. Transactions on the Lightning Network are near instantaneous, a stark contrast to the sometimes lengthy confirmation times on the main Bitcoin network. Secondly, cost. Lightning transactions incur significantly lower fees, often just fractions of a cent, making it ideal for small, everyday payments. In a place like Abuja, where mobile money and smaller transactions are common, this could be a game changer. Imagine being able to pay for your groceries, a ride, or even split a bill with friends using Bitcoin, and having the transaction complete in the blink of an eye with virtually no fees. This is the promise of the Lightning Network. For a platform like Bitwala, integrating this technology could significantly enhance the user experience, making Bitcoin more practical for everyday use rather than just a store of value or investment asset. Furthermore, integrating with the Lightning Network would position Bitwala as a forward-thinking platform, embracing the latest innovations in the Bitcoin ecosystem. This could attract new users and solidify their position in a competitive market. Many other exchanges and crypto platforms are already exploring or have already integrated Lightning, recognizing its potential to unlock new use cases for Bitcoin. Of course, integrating a new technology like the Lightning Network is not without its challenges. It requires technical expertise, infrastructure upgrades, and a commitment to educating users on how it works. Security considerations are also paramount. However, the long-term benefits of faster, cheaper Bitcoin transactions could far outweigh these hurdles. The demand for faster and more affordable Bitcoin transactions is only going to grow. As adoption increases in places like Nigeria and beyond, solutions that address the scalability limitations of the main blockchain will become increasingly vital. For Bitwala, or Relay, embracing the Lightning Network could be a crucial step in making Bitcoin truly accessible and usable for everyone, for everyday transactions, right here in Abuja and across the globe. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.